I'm Attorney Charles Gallagher from Gallagher & Associates Law Firm. Welcome to today's G&A Foreclosure Minute. Today's topic has to do with the top 5 borrower mistakes in foreclosure. The first mistake most borrowers make is to not retain an attorney licensed to practice with regard to foreclosure proceedings. Oftentimes folks think they can do it themselves, but this proves to be a grave peril for all those involved. The second mistake most borrowers make is to ignore the summons and ignore the lawsuit, thinking that it will go away. Unfortunately, ignoring the lawsuit and ignoring the summons will not ensure that it goes away and will cause many problems beyond just defending the lawsuit. The third mistake most borrowers make is to file pleadings or documents for motions without setting them for hearing. A motion filed with the court is only as good as a hearing where the judge will actually resolve that motion. The fourth biggest mistake for borrowers involves agreeing to certain issues, agreeing to certain judgments in the context of mediation. I heard a story from a possible client the past week where she proceeded with mediation by herself without a foreclosure attorney assisting her, and she agreed to a judgment of foreclosure in connection with mediation. After hearing the facts of the case, I was very troubled to hear that and advised the woman that she may have made a mistake because there seemed to be many issues and defenses with regard to standing. In those situations, it's much better off to let the lender prove their case as opposed to agreeing to a certain judgment or agreeing to a certain recovery that they ask for. They can prove their case. The final issue with regard to top 5 lender mistakes is no paper trail. People will think that telephone calls or emails might be sufficient, but it's best to go ahead and reduce your correspondence to writing and keep a written log of all events with regard to the lender and their misconduct. That way we can go ahead and prove those things to the court after the fact. If you have any questions regarding our top 5 borrower mistakes, please feel free to contact us at 727-344-5297 or visit us on the web at www.attorneyoffices.org. Thanks a lot.